Guys, I accidentally pressed the wrong button, but I consider just click this one. So I'm gonna take like a little piece of slime and we'll mix like all the three slime. So I might buy another container for like on my slime, like on my homemade slime, but like all the slime that I faked or my putty or like Nicola slime, I'll put in the same container that there was. But homemade or like Nicola slime, I'm gonna put like not my phone slime on these containers because they do stick a lot and they're hard. So yeah, I'm gonna put the first one right here. And then, God. Oh my God. Okay. I think this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. Okay. First, let me like try like. Okay. Yeah, like this much. I'll add. This might be like a small like smoothie. I'm gonna spread out the foam one. Okay, let me show you. This so. Wait, I'm gonna show you how much slime will swirl. I keep saying slime swirl. Hopefully I can't. Oh my god, is that already mixing? I couldn't do slime swirl. God. The purple is taking like hurry mixing. Let me show you. Not that perfect because basically they're already mixing. So basically not even it's hard now. Not that trashy. And it turned like this. I can't have the odd. So this is how it turned like. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give a thumb up and subscribe. And yeah, by the way, this is part 2 of it. And I'm very sorry about this. Yeah. So if you want me to do more videos like this, make sure to comment below. And also comment below what should I do for tomorrow, like see. Sorry, I need to go pee. So comment below like what should I do for tomorrow. Like I'm gonna buy like a glue, one small one and one big one, and let's see, and also another putty. If y'all really like putty, if y'all like putty instead of slime, comment below. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Make sure to make sure that I accidentally clicked the wrong button. This is part 2. The other one is part 1. So yeah.